we're back with another steering wheel video to kind of show you guys some of the orders that are going out today. I got the orders, they're all processed, they're all gonna go out to their customers and all today. So everyone who ordered a steering wheel recently, if maybe you recognize any of yours, you'll be getting them soon. So like I can see all of them are exactly the same. These are basically like for like the Dodges, the Mopar, so it's like the vicrez 300, Durango, Charger, Challenger, Jeep Trackhawk, all for the year 2015 and 2023. And as you can see here, we got some customizations that look really unique or some that look the same. So like this one right here, I think last time when we did the video, you guys already saw like a matte carbon Dodge, but this one has the black 12 o'clock ring, black leather, black stitching, matte carbon as the material, and also for the trims, which is, if anyone wants to buy these trims, it's VZ10 1277. These are also in matte, as you can see right here. But again, these are all like for like the Dodges and Mopars for 2015 is 2023. Next up, we got one that's a little basic. Again, this one is just regular gloss carbon, again with also gloss carbon trims with black Alcantara, blue stitching, and this one's an LED one. Next up, we got another one. This type of combination, I've actually seen a lot. I'm guessing a lot of people like the red. So this one is just, again, like almost basic. Carbon fiber, red carbon fiber inlay, red leather and red stitching, and also a LED. This one actually almost would look like the default steering wheel, but everyone knows that our default steering wheels do come with black leather. So this one would actually look kind of cool. And I get a lot of like orders like this. Now, next one, I actually like this one a lot. This one reminds me of like the movie Speed Racer. You got silver carbon fiber, white leather, red stitching, and red carbon fiber inlay. Also LED. Got the label for the order. So this one's pretty nice. This is actually one I like really much. Now, next up, what we got is for these three down here, which we're gonna show you, are the forged carbon. So this one right here is very like basic, a little simple. You got forged carbon fiber, forged carbon inlays, black leather and black stitching. But as you can see here, this one is neither not LED or has the 12 o'clock ring. The customer ordered with none, which is also an option. If you guys don't want the LED, you guys don't want the 12 o'clock ring, you guys want it bare, you guys could do that. Or like the one steering wheel I showed last time, the customer got LED and a 12 o'clock ring. So there's many options you guys can do. So again, this one's pretty nice. Got another forged, but with purple Alcantara and a purple 12 o'clock ring. Forged carbon fiber, forged inlay, black stitching, if you can kind of see it, and then the purple Alcantara with the purple 12 o'clock ring. So this one's actually a pretty unique one too. Maybe someone has like this customer probably has like purple interior in their Charger, his or her Charger, who knows. Last but not least, again, this is like another one that we just showed you already, another forged one, except that this one does have LED with it. See, like right there. So basically the same one as like the fifth one I showed you. Black leather, black stitching, forged carbon fiber inlay, forged carbon fiber, and then but with LED. So all these ones again are for like the Dodges, Challenger, Charger, Durango, vicrez 300, and the Trackhawks for 2015 and 2023. And yeah, so then they can't wait to see how they look on your guys' car. So right now, just to kind of give you like overview on like the different customizations that are available for all the steering wheels that we have. So big majority of the steering wheels right here that we have are for Mopars. So it's for like Dodge Charger, Challenger, Durango, Trackhawks, and the vicrez 300 for 2015 2023, except for these two. So we'll get right in and show you the specs and all the customizations. So starting from here, we have one of the Dodge ones. This one is for forged carbon, black Alcantara, red stitching, forged carbon inlay and LED. So this one's like almost like the default style, just different materials used. Because again, our default style is black carbon fiber, like regular carbon fiber, black leather, red stitching, and either, if up to your guys' options, red carbon fiber inlay. So this one's pretty unique. Next up is another one with Alcantara, but instead it's different. So this one is again forged carbon inlay, red Alcantara and white stitching, which I always like the combination of the white stitching with the reds. It's a pretty nice combo. And then for the trims, which these trims right here for the steering wheels is VZ10 1277. These are also in forged carbon, if you can see right there. Next up, which is another one, I actually like this one myself personally. Forged carbon again, black leather this time, white stitching, carbon fiber inlay, trims. This one though, you guys had the option to do this on the website. This one's LED, but it also has a green 12 o'clock ring, as you can see right there. Maybe I can kind of show you like that from the back. Green 12 o'clock ring, which, as you guys know, on our options, we either choose, you guys could choose between LED or the 12 o'clock ring, or if you guys do not want anything, the option is like that as well, where you could just get this plain, so you get no LED, no 12 o'clock ring, based up to your options. But I kind of like it too when some of the customers like to customize it with the both, because it gives it like a unique style. For me though, I would not have gone with green. I would have gone with like blue, white, red. So yeah, but this one's pretty nice. Now, next one, another forged one, but this one is for a Scion FRS. As you can see right here, this one is forged carbon, LED, black leather, and yellow stitching. Right there. So again, this one is for 2015 Scion FRS, but it's also, you guys can use this one for the BRZ and the G86, since they all use the same body trim, so I'm sure they're using the same steering wheels. Yeah. So those look pretty nice. Maybe we should get a BRZ so then we can install this one. Is again another Dodge one that kind of has the same default style, but the only difference is that if you kind of get a closer look, this isn't just regular carbon fiber. This is honeycomb. This is our honeycomb carbon fiber. Probably see like right here from the back. If you kind of zoom in, you can kind of see maybe like the little beehive honeycomb shapes, which people like. So yeah, again, the options that we do have for our material is regular carbon fiber, matte carbon, forged carbon, and honeycomb. So this one right here is just honeycomb, black alcantara, red stitching, carbon fiber inlay, LED, and then also the trims are also honeycomb, but being that like how small the trims are, it's kind of hard to see that. The only sad thing right now is I believe that for the honeycombs, we do not offer any other colors in it. It's just only in black. Hopefully eventually in the future, we'll be able to like see how we could do that with coming out like with red honeycomb, blue, green, yellow, like all the colors that we have available. So again, this one's pretty nice. Now our next one is again another one for the Dodges, for Mopars, you know, for Chrysler 300s as well, 2015, 2023. Now this one is basically like the default style. Again, our default styles do come with carbon fiber, like regular black carbon fiber, black leather, red stitching, LED or a red 12 o'clock ring, and red carbon fiber inlay, but as you can see that this one has black carbon fiber inlay. So you guys could definitely choose the varieties on what colors you want. Maybe you guys will like the default style with like green, blue, white carbon fiber inlay, yellow inlay, purple inlay, you know, forge inlay as well. So yeah, again, this one's just basically like a default style. Another Dodge, Mopar, but this one is full purple. The only different color it has is the black stitching, which you can see like right there. Has black stitching, and then the trims, the VZ10 1277s are actually in forge. And then forged carbon, which you see right there. So this one's basically just again carbon fiber, purple alcantara, LED, and black stitching, and then the trims in forge. So this one's pretty nice. And after that, next up, this one is for 350Z, Nissan 350Z. Again, almost default style. Only differences on this one is that it has black alcantara and no inlays. Again, optional. So it's just carbon fiber, black alcantara, red stitching, LED, no inlay. So again, very simple. So this is for a 350Z. Another one that I actually like, but again, just has the black alcantara that I don't. It is black forged carbon trims, black alcantara, yellow stitching, and it has regular yellow carbon fiber inlays, which this one I pretty like. Again, also LED. Like it very much, especially anyone who has like a yellow Charger or maybe like something that has yellow trims on the inside. But yeah, I'd go change this to black leather instead of alcantara. This one's pretty nice too. And then on to the last one. Basically another simple one. I see a lot of these ones come in a lot because I'm guessing people like the white leather with the black carbon fiber. Regular carbon fiber trims, white leather, black stitching, just no inlays, and it's LED. So this one is pretty nice as well. I always like seeing the combinations all the time from like customers when we get their steering wheels in before we ship them out to them. Like once they're done finishing being in production, we get them in, check them out. I like seeing all the different styles on it. So this one, I like them too. Like this one, the purple one, the one over there with the green, 12 o'clock ring. So yeah, this is pretty neat. So basically a big majority is, again, all these are for like Dodges, for a Charger, Challenger, Durango, Trackhawk, and Chrysler 300s for the years 2015 and 2023. So again, fully customizable to whatever specs you guys want. All right then, so that's all the steering wheels that I got for today. I'm gonna go ahead, process these, check the orders, see if they're still good, package them up, ship them out today so they get to their rightful owners. So yeah, stay tuned for more steering wheels coming up because we do get hundreds of orders, a lot every day. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos.